When inserting a part in an assembly, you always get the option to insert the open models. However, it can happen that the model does not appear. In most cases, the issue is due to rollback state. It's quite easy to confirm this. In the Insert window, press and browse and find the model you want to insert. Try Insert it and you will get this message. Now all you need to do is to open the problematic part and roll it forward and save.